We're at the car store in Fruitport at 301 North 3rd Avenue. And today we are looking at this beautiful 2014 GMC Sierra. This truck is absolutely just a beast. Just the right truck all the way around. Love it in that dark gunmetal gray. We put a 3-inch lift with brand new wheels and tires. Just gets it up in the air just enough. Not too crazy, you know, but just gives it that nice solid stance. Gives it that look that you're looking for. We went with a real nice 20-inch Sendel tire, the Nighthawk. Just a good-looking wheel, brand new. It's got a real nice mud hog tire. Got 21 mil of lug there. Very nice tire. I've been very happy with them. You just can't go wrong. They don't make too much noise. You know, a lot of people are worried about, you know, do they make a bunch of noise going down the road? These ones actually, the reason that I like them so much is because they don't. So, what a beautiful truck. Body on it's absolutely in pristine condition. Comes powered by the 5.3 liter V8. Absolute beautiful truck. Brought to you by the car store in Fruitport at 301 North 3rd Avenue. She comes equipped with the tow haul package with both plug-ins right here in the bumper. Very nice option. This one's got the bumper step. Very nice. You'd be surprised on how nice that is. This truck is absolutely like brand new. It's got a real nice clean cloth interior in it. Carpet's like brand new. Love how it's got the factory built-in trailer brake system. Got your cruise controls. This one's got, what does this thing got on it for mileage? Got 93,000 miles on her. So under 100 still. Got your tow haul package here. Just a nice truck. Got your cargo lights. I like this one because it's got the mechanical 4-wheel drive on the floor. I really like that. You know, I mean, yeah, the what do you call it? The dial, you know, the selectable 4-wheel drive is kind of nice, but you know, it's just more stuff to go wrong, you know, when the encoder motors go bad or the electrical switch goes bad. You can't go wrong with a good old school, just lock it in. I mean, never have issues with them. Built it right. Love how it's got the full center console. Got plenty of room back here. Just an overall very well maintained, very clean truck. Thing just looks like a beast. It's got a little bit darker tail light than factory. I kind of like that. It's a nice truck. 2014 GMC Sierra, 5.3 liter V8. Got 3 inches of lift. Brand new Sendel Nighthawk wheels. with a nice mud claw, mud terrain tire. Absolutely brand new. Got all your manuals. Super clean. Fully serviced and inspected and backed with a warranty here at the Car Store in Fruitport at 301 North 3rd Avenue. Buy with confidence here. You're buying quality. This truck is sweet. Just an absolute sweet truck. I mean, look at that thing. That thing is a beast. You got to get down to the Car Store in Fruitport. 301 North 3rd Avenue. Don't miss out on this truck. I don't think this one's going to last long. Right here, 301 North 3rd Avenue. Talk to you soon.